dig your hole that size, stick it in, loosen up the roots just a tiny bit, and stick the plants in the ground, fill it back in, give it a good press down around the edges, and if you can, like a little moat, like a circular moat around the edges, and that'll help keep water down in the hole where it goes. We are planting purple love grass. This is a native forage plant that is good for gopher tortoises. And out here on this property, there's 51 acres and 15 gopher tortoises here to live out the rest of their life in a safe place. And what we're doing to this property is adding forage plants for them, like purple love grass and some blue-eyed grass.
The tortoises have begun to eat, they love to eat all sorts of grasses, so they've begun to eat other plants that we've brought out here in past work with the Florida Aquarium. So providing more habitat and more food really stabilizes the population that we've reintroduced. So planting these plants really enables that population to thrive once they're here in their new home.
A neat thing about gopher tortoises is that they're a keystone species. So in their burrows, other animals will use their burrows, like burrowing owls, rattlesnakes, other gopher tortoises, all sorts of animals that rely on gopher tortoises as a niche keystone species.
Gopher tortoises are just really cool. They're such an important part of the habitat. In the past 2 years, we have 11 tortoises, 20-something burrows, because they're not always happy with the first choice, real estate, location, location, location. But then other animals move in, so it's fun. You can see a burrow that's no longer active by a tortoise, and now you'll watch a mother raccoon come out of the hole with 3 little babies. Days like today with our community partners are really important. Having some of the smaller but really key pieces to put together a habitat like this done with partners is really great. So we can get a lot of plants in the ground all in one afternoon instead of doing it over weeks and months. We can remove debris that washes ashore after a storm. And then also too, it engages people in the community with this type of habitat and gives them a little learning lesson about why mangroves are important or why other species are important to habitats like this, such as our gopher tortoises.
Coming here from the volunteer standpoint, it provides you an educational component. It gets you out in the wildlife and our restoration areas to see what's going on, see what the Florida Aquarium is doing, and we couldn't do it without you.